Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Today we are here with a beautiful box from Grizas.
Welcome lovelies. Can't wait.
One of our faves.
One of our faves.
Well, we have so many faves in the team.
Yeah, we keep on saying it, but yeah, they better be our faves, right? Because we want to bring you our faves.
I know.
Nothing but the best.
Nothing but the best.
For you lovelies. And
what do you think of that sweater?
oh my.
I know.
I love it.
I knew you'd grab it.
Love it, love it. It's oversized, it's lovely.
This is from Ozainku, ladies, from when Lousje was away.
Yeah.
We had a drop, I did the video.
Yeah.
With the pants.
With
beautiful.
The amazing pants, with these amazing cuffs, right? With the pleats.
Like the darts in them.
Ponty,
yeah.
Beautiful ponty, slash pockets, nice elastic waist.
It's like an exposed dart.
Yeah.
Cool, eh?
On the outside,
yeah,
darts.
Different. There's lots of lantern balloony pants, but
yeah,
those ones
this
are really
is
unique.
different. Yeah, really well done.
Beautiful fabric.
Beautiful fabric. And then this, I had a jacket from them, right? The black one. It's just very similar. Yeah, a green
stripe
bias tape on the inside. I pull it out every winter. It's probably from 5 years ago. Yeah, this is a keeper.
I love your jewelry. Look at you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beauty.
Oh,
Anne-Marie.
my goodness.
We are getting new from Anne-Marie, and Ayala is here this week, ladies. Watch out. I think Saturday we have it coming. So that'll be exciting, but Anne-Marie is on its way, Canadian made. And another Canadian designer dropping this week, ladies, Loves Pure Light Scarves. Watch out for that. I believe it's on Wednesday. I keep looking at your necklace now. And all I'm doing is looking this way because I'm trying to hit the sunlight.
Oh.
And I'm just looking at how great you look. I have on Sriglio earrings too with the little gem there. And then, yeah, we got new necklaces from Angel. Look at how it's, I know, it just comes out. It's amazing.
Gorgeous.
And then I have on the Lousje Bean stag tunic. Tuck it in here, a little French tuck, but you can have it undone too. And then this beautiful mocha skirt or cocoa, gorgeous. And I just have it on with my Vans. How fun is that? This is new Chemi scarves, the paper wool, just landed in the boutique. We got new colors. So ladies, sorry, stag tunic, I have a small on. Fits beautiful.
Yeah. So let's talk about my sizing because it's very important that we mention our sizing. The jacket is an extra small, medium. Then there's another size, large, extra large, XXL.
Yeah.
As you can see, lots of room, right? And pants are an extra small.
Okay, here we go. This is a big box. I do know that. This is our favorite little jacket, as you lovelies know. We always get it in linen, but look at this brocade. It'd be so nice in the back.
They're traditional little jackets. Beautiful.
We're gonna do a style video of these pieces tomorrow for you lovelies, just so you can see how we are styling them up. This is really cool, new fabric for us too from Grizas.
Yeah.
This is a pair of pants, and it's viscose.
Yeah, and it's got a crepey feel to it. It's completely different.
Crinkle.
Completely different. And what a great travel pant if you think about
Absolutely.
Or a dressy winter pant, you know?
Yeah, and this color is midnight. Yeah.
When you compare it with black, you can see the difference.
That's why we love Grizas so much. The fabric.
The textures, the fabrics.
So beautiful. All right, and this is a pencil skirt, ladies, in this gorgeous cotton linen fabric.
Oh, goodness. Let me
It's got a
feel
little
it.
stretch to it.
Oh, it feels substantial.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
it
beautiful.
does.
It's
Oh, you know what I love? The little sculpted pen.
at the bottom. Yeah. Now you might want to size up in this. I'm just going to say I was in a medium in it, and I think we started at a small.
Yeah.
Because it's quite snug, but
Yeah.
you want it to have a bit of room just to have the drape. Otherwise it'll be snugger, which is fine. It's a beautiful look too. And the reason we purchased the skirt was to kind of layer, right? And show different pieces over. So there are a few pieces in this box that are gonna go with it. You could easily pair up this gorgeous jacket with it. Look at that, the textures. They work so well.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. And here's another top that we purchased. It is this design we've seen before. It's the cowl silk. Oh yeah, and then this is fabulous. This fabric is so beautiful. So this is a jacket. This is a car coat. It's called the crimped high-low jacket. And this is extra small here, beautiful. The skirt there is a black. And then we got the graphite blue jacket. You can wear black leggings with it. But the fall of the hang of this jacket is absolutely stunning. Pockets on this jacket, so important. High-low,
nice.
so cute.
Yeah.
So here is another fabulous design from the fabric. Look at this. So this is a bubble dress with a cowl neck, and it's a nice loose cowl. This one extra small, so go true to size in this one.
Yeah.
This is well true to size, the silk, and the jacket is also true to size.
Yeah, look at this too, Tessa. These two textures.
I
together,
know,
the skirt
it's
and
so
the
fabulous.
top.
I'll style that one up too.
I'm gonna stay home tomorrow. I'm taking the day off.
Oh my God, it's so funny. But see, I'm like, I hope it has pockets. I didn't want to
Everything
say
is-
it out loud. I hope it has pockets, but of course it has
Of
pockets.
course,
Grizas is
Grizas.
so smart with their
Yeah,
pockets.
they
Like,
are
it's
the
so
pockets,
important.
you know, and it's always so disappointing to me when a garment doesn't have pockets.
I
but-
know, it is disappointing.
Yeah.
Look, you're forever, your whole life, you're going to be picking up after me. Here
And
I
I
am just
still
throwing
am.
everything over to
Oh
her.
my God,
And it's
she
like
just
mothers are
chose
always
it.
just going to be mothers, right?
That's
They're
right.
just going to pick up after you.
Yeah.
I feel like I do that with
They
my
don't
son,
complain.
Oscar. That's all I do is pick up
Yeah.
after him.
Yeah.
And then I always think, oh, he's only 13. He's only 13. Soon he's going to be 16, ladies, and I'll be picking up after him. And I'm
Oh,
gonna be
yeah.
so mad at myself.
Oh yeah.
She'll be
Yeah.
like- she's like,
Plus, his future wife will be very mad at you.
I know, it's so bad. I always get in trouble from Ruby and Ryan. And you.
And me too.
Okay, here's a stunner, Mum. This is a silk organza.
Oh.
And I feel like showing it, holding it up here is not going to do it justice
No.
in person
Yeah.
or having it styled.
Yeah.
This is like, this could go miles in your wardrobe.
Yeah.
It is such an exquisite piece.
And what a statement you would make if you show up in this. Like,
Absolutely.
wow, what is she wearing?
Oh, so gorgeous.
Oh.
But you could even put it over a tank top and jeans. And
Yeah.
it's so cool. So I have actually, we bought this beautiful dress I'm going to pull out next because I want to show it paired underneath this because you'll see why, ladies.
Might this be going on my hanger or is that questionable?
Sure.
Oh, I'm twisting
I think
her
I've
arm.
got more than half over there, plus there's a few others. So Grizas is another, they do beautiful prints. They do subdued, beautiful print. This is absolutely fabulous.
That is so fun. Oh, it is that heavier knit.
Yeah, it's like a t-shirt.
Yeah, we've had this. Oh, I love this design.
Yeah, but imagine this done up with that organza over top.
Oh, yes.
Wouldn't that be fabulous? Stunner.
Gorgeous.
I know.
Yeah.
So
This is called the circle print cotton dress. Yeah, this is 100% cotton, but refined cotton. This is not just cotton.
no, it's beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Cotton spandex.
Yeah.
And then we, of course, had to do the scarves in silk, ladies,
Of
to
course.
match the two prints that we
Yeah.
got. Their scarves are bar none as
Yeah.
well. They are
Oh, the
absolutely
feel.
beautiful.
Yeah. Beautiful.
They're so luxurious.
Yeah.
So that is the one, that's the circle print. And then here's the brushstroke print that comes back to the jacket that we unboxed first. And then we did these two little cute, well, actually, sorry, I'm gonna show you this first because this is what I'm gonna pick tomorrow. Ladies, this screams Tessa. This will not last long, I know it. And I trust me, I don't have one in my wardrobe, but if for some reason it's still on the rack in 2 weeks, I always try to give myself like a 2-week notice to say like, let the ladies get it first.
Yeah. Well, sometimes you cheat them. I know you.
Well, sometimes I pre-order myself one. This is fabulous on, and the fabric,
The fabric.
is unbelievable.
Look at it.
It is cotton,
And it's cut in all these. There must be 10
think
different panels in
cotton
here.
and silk,
It
Mom.
feels like cotton.
The texture of it too. That's what I love. It just makes
It's
it.
54 linen,
Oh, nice.
26 cotton, 30% rayon, and 7% silk.
Yes, I felt a bit of silk in there. Feel that.
How do they come up with this? They just know their stuff.
They're so talented.
Oh.
So we did this cute little silk top, which we've done before, and it's sold right out. So it's a cute little swing top,
Yeah,
and it did so well because it's just a nice little,
a shell.
yeah, just a great little
We're
shell.
always looking for an interesting shell underneath anything.
So no, not bulky. And then we did it in plain black as well, ladies. And what's nice too is they've doubled the fabric.
Yeah, that's right.
Because it's a very fine silk, but they've
Yeah.
doubled the fabric. And what we've learned with the sizing, ladies, is if you're more chesty or broad shoulders, then I would suggest to size up. Lousje's in an extra small. I'm in a small. I just find the extra small was too tight here and then on the bust. And you wouldn't lose the hang. It would still look beautiful if you sized up. It wouldn't like ruin the look. Sometimes when you size up, it does, but not with that top. It'll be good.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. So we imagine we're going to intermingle all these for you tomorrow. But we also, as we do, we always get the scarves to go, and we stuck with the viscose. So beautiful.
Yeah.
This crinkle. So this is an army. Absolutely fabulous. Yeah.
This is very much in, but we do like it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
And beautiful with navy and black.
Yes.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yes.
That's charcoal. It's hard in the light here.
It's hard for you to see, I'm sure, but this is definitely
The
midnight.
Yeah.
And this is definitely gray.
That's definitely great.
Yeah.
And then we did a scarf to match the pants. So we can do that print top and the pants.
Yes.
And then you can have the scarf matching the
Very
pant
cute.
fabric on top. So how gorgeous is that?
Look at that.
And then we did red to have a pop of color as well. Fabulous. So here is our drop for Grizas. I just keep passing everything to her.
Okay.
Ladies. Well, we hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please hit a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch out tomorrow. You'll see who's going to win the battle of the battles. No, it's all beautiful. And it's true, though. I mean, you love your pants and I love my skirts. So,
Yeah, for
right?
sure. Yeah.
I mean, 90% of your wardrobe is pants and 90% of mine is skirts.
And as always, keep on smiling.